Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about the fall of YouTube Go. So we are finally saying bye bye to YouTube Go, and YouTube Go was this lightweight version of the original YouTube. It was an app made to run on low budget smartphones or smartphones with low processing power, so that they can also consume content for YouTube without getting the hassle of loading very big apps. As you know, YouTube, it's a very big app, and on low budget smartphones, mainly smartphones that run Android Go, they are not able to process data on YouTube very well. So, and YouTube Go is finally coming to an end, as YouTube announced it's going to be closing YouTube Go. So YouTube Go was this app where you could consume your YouTube content. You could come watch videos, you couldn't comment or like, you could just come and watch videos. As you see, if you're going to play a video, it gives you the quality you want to play, the data saver, the standard, the high quality, or you could just download the video and watch it later, or you play the video and watch it at a low cost without using a lot of data. And it could run very fast on any phone, but as Android is evolving and bringing more updates, it will be able to run very big apps on low budget smartphones or phones with low processing power. So I received an email this morning, if I may open it. As you see, they reached out to me. They are like, YouTube Go is going to be closed. It is going to be stopped starting with August. YouTube Go won't be available. They are going to completely close that app. As you see, they say they have been making updates on the main YouTube, like the data saving mode, if you see here, as the data saving feature. So it's also available on the original YouTube, and most people, that's why they shifted to YouTube Go to save data. As you know, YouTube consumes a lot of data when you're consuming content. It can play videos depending on your network. You can play even 8K videos on YouTube. You can play 4K videos, which are quite huge. So people tend to go to YouTube Go to save data. So YouTube is saying it's going to close YouTube Go starting with August. The app is going to be completely closed, as they see there is no need of maintaining YouTube Go, since they have added more features on their original YouTube. So if I go here, I read you. If you go to this article was released by Mon, and she explains more on why YouTube Go is going to be closed. So YouTube Go was basically released in 2016. If you check here, it was released in 2016, and it was quite available in few countries. First, it was available in Indonesia and India. It was available in Indonesia and India, but later on it was released to the whole world, almost to the whole world. It was released to over 130 countries. As myself, I was using YouTube Go in some circumstances, because at some point it's more convenient. When you're going to play videos, it won't play ads. It doesn't have a lot of ads like YouTube. When you're playing a video and you get mid ads and other ads on YouTube. So basically in 2017 and in 2018 it rolled out to over 130 countries, and it wasn't a huge app. It was just a 10 MB app. And as you say, as she explains here, since Android is being built to run very smoothly on any device, there won't be, because if YouTube Go is going in the near future, they might also stop Android Go version, because Android Go was made, and if I may recall, Android Go was running on the Techno Spark Go 2020. Android Go was running on Pop 2 Plus, those phones, those low budget phones that are even at a cost of 50 $40 around there. So Android Go was a low budget operating system running on low budget phones with very little processing power. Since Android is, building itself for the better to run smoothly on any device at low processing power, and that is the main reason why YouTube Go is going to be closed, so that people can shift to the main app. It will be running smoothly. That's their claim. They have added features that were on YouTube Go to the main YouTube app, and we are waiting to see how this is going to turn out, because many users were using YouTube Go. Many people were using YouTube Go as their main YouTube app. It's where they were consuming their main they were consuming their content on YouTube Go as their main app. So this might bring a little change on YouTube, as people will turn back to the main YouTube app, which is far more better, far more effective, far more fun. It has more features, and you can try it out. It has more features, good features, because on YouTube Go, if you play a video, so you see, if you play a video, you don't get comments. You can't comment on a video, you can't like a video, you just view a video, and that's it for YouTube Go. There are no additions. You can't select a playlist, and if I go back to the settings, you only get these few settings: update app, language, restrict mode. Only that is what you get. The storage you have on your phone, that's all you get. Manage your history. So it doesn't have a lot of settings. It has very limited settings. Since it has limited settings, I think most people won't be affected, because I was also using this app as the side app. Since most times it becomes easy, I just search for something I want and it will instantly come without getting ads or using mob data. So that's why mainly I was using YouTube Go. Anyway guys, hope this video was informative and you did learn something from this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.